Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Medium Partner Program earnings with proper membership setup. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Medium Partner Program earnings, start by checking your membership status. Visit the Medium website and log into your account. From your profile, navigate to the Partner Program section. Review the current settings to ensure you are enrolled in the program. If you are not enrolled, click on the Join the Partner Program button. Follow the prompts to complete your enrollment. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions of the program. Next, optimize your profile for better visibility. Choose a professional headshot and write a compelling bio. Ensure your writing themes align with popular topics to attract more readers. Once your profile is set, start creating quality content. Write engaging stories that resonate with your audience. Use tags wisely to increase the discoverability of your posts. Next, check your publication settings. Ensure your posts are published on your personal profile, as well as any publications you may contribute to. Verify that your payment information is correctly entered. Navigate to the payment section in your account settings. Update any necessary details to ensure smooth transactions. Regularly engage with other writers and readers on the platform. Comment on their pieces and participate in discussions. This will help build your network and increase your visibility. Promote your articles through social media and other channels. Share your Medium posts on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on your articles. Monitor your earnings through the Medium dashboard. Keep track of your performance metrics regularly. Adjust your content strategy based on what works best for your audience. Finally, be patient and consistent with your efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.